Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you this type of photo editing in Picsart. Open the Picsart application, click on edit a photo option and select a white color. Transform the image. Click on eraser and erase bottom parts of that image. Click on right. Again go to the add photo option and I can choose this girl image. Click on crop the image and drag it. Next click on eraser and erase the image background. click on right and transferring the image to the perfect position. Then click on eraser and erase the image. Click on write. Next, go to stickers and search orange lens. I can choose this one. Click on blend and the blending mode is overlay. Click on eraser and erase it. Click right and again click on right and save the image to the gallery. Then saved image has been opened in the Lightroom, and adjust all the tools like this. And last, click on share and save the image to the device.